Good morning, good morning! Happy Thursday around the world, guys! Mega shout out everyone! Good evening, Pilipinas! Andito naman tayo, guys. So, magwara-wara naman tayo dito. O, papunta ako sa aking pasyente, guys. I'm on my way to my patient visit. It's a beautiful day today. What a beautiful day. 61 degrees. Nice and sunny out. Warm. So, I love it. I love it. How is everyone? Ayan, ayan guys. Lumilipad na tayo dito. Lipad-lipad na. Lipad pa more. Lipad pa more. Alright. Dito na ako sa aking